Okay, YouTube. This is we got today one DOOGEE S88 Pro. This is a pretty big phone. It's a heavy duty phone. The customer brought to me for the screen not working. So you need to change the screen and let's see what's happened. It's a pretty heavy phone and also it's Android software on it. It looks like pretty good. And he also brought the replacement screen too. He ordered through the Amazon. This is a screen for replacement. It's got just a screen with, where's the tools? Just in also the tools too. So I don't need it, so probably just take a look and change the screen. We gotta do first, turn the power off. It's already off, so just need to heat it up the edge. This phone can't do anything from the back because this is already sealed and then screwed on the side too. We can take this off, but still we need to get into the phone. We need to go heat the edge, pop the screen out and go from there. Okay, let's heat it up that edges. Using mostly heat gun, so this hair dryer, so something is working. So heat it up there. Heating part done, so we need to take a little bit taking care of to take this screen off. So you just go like this, the suction cup, and where's that tools? So we gotta go from one side to pull it out. So it's a little hard job to do it, but we gotta do like that. It's coming off. Little bit, and try to pull it out on the edges. Oh, it's off. It's come off. Some of them hard, some of them easy to do this. So just take this LCD display off, so then you can see this the bottom. Okay, the display connected through the one wire. So we need to pull that out to flip screwdriver. So use this part, take this off. It's a very long screw on it. So you gotta do like this. Okay, you need this part out. First thing we gotta do, disconnect the battery. So we gotta do, this is the battery part, so we gotta disconnect this battery cable out and disconnect the they call the LCD connection. You gotta be very careful when you take this off because there's a lot of small tiny component around there, so make sure not to break that off. Okay, screen come apart. You'll see it's not working. Okay, so now I'm gonna put this all on the side and then grab the new one from, it look like from $130 from Amazon.ca. So that's what he told me to order from there. So now the time to put the new screen back. we gotta go like this to connect the LCD on the front to the connection. Make sure it's fitted right. Okay, and let's connect the battery power back. Okay, battery connected and also the LCD connected. Okay, let's check the screen working or no. Okay, let me turn the power on. We'll see how's that work. Yes, DOOGEE, powered by Android. Let's see is the phone turning on or no. It's turning on. It's taking a little bit time. Here you go. The phone is turning on. Yep, the phone is working now. So everything good to go. And okay, let's turn the power off. Put the rest back in, and then seal the LCD at the front. Nope, we need to take off and then power off. Shut it down. Done. Okay, now we have to go back, put that screw on back to that what do you call it? The LCD connection cable. So this got to go back in here to fit it properly. You got to go like this to hold that bracket on the side to hide it in, and then done. Let's put the screw back in. And then screwdriver back in. It's a very pretty long screw. Never seen on the phone like this long screws. Screwdriver, I got it. Yes. So set it back in. Okay, just the cable is attached to that side. You need to do one more thing. To put this sticker up here. This is the one come with this. Okay, now we have to do one more thing. To glue it around all the edges to hold the screen inside, you gotta do the stick glue like this kind of stuff will work. Mostly I use this one for like what do you call the iPhone's back glasses, to seal the iPads, the front digitizers. It's pretty good glue for the sticking on the phone. Okay, that's all. Yeah, once everything put it back, is the new screen's working. So just only need to be do just run the glue around the edges and seal the phone back, and good to go. So this is the only way to fix this phone. So let's go around, because this is the place the LCD is sitting on the top and bottom. gotta go like this to run the glue around. Looks good all. Put some little more glue on it because this is a very heavy duty phone, but he dropped it. He told me he dropped it, then the LCD stopped working. So all the phone is like that, when you drop it's gone. So should be good. Now what we gotta do, put this back in and put the LCD back into that place. So should be good. Now I have to get some towels to tighten it up. Make sure these edges has to be in the place properly, and like the entire side. So the phone is sealed back now, the display is working. So okay, so if you guys like this video, please comment and subscribe my channel, and then click the bell button so you get more updates from me. Okay, thank you guys. See you later.